girl Nani.
And your girl me.
And we're back again today, but today we have our lovely sons.
Jackson. Amari.
And Amari.
And today, we're going to be doing a Chubby Bunny Challenge.
So we have the marshmallows here, and so the Chubby Belly Challenge is everyone's gonna pick one marshmallow, and you have to put it in your mouth without chewing it. You can't swallow it, and you can't chew it. And you're gonna figure out how many you can fit in your mouth, and whoever loses.
Oh, TV.
And if you win, you get to choose the loser. So if you win, you get to choose one of the losers to do something. Okay?
Who?
Alright, so hopefully y'all know to win. And I don't like marshmallows, so I probably will be first out. Like, I get like, gas. Like, and yes, I did take my wig off. You know, I'm trying to draw my dreads. To let y'all know.
Oh, I can't wait. So, these taste good. Anyways.
Oh?
Whose kid is he?
Green?
Somebody come get that kid.
Rain.
Yeah. Put your hand up.
Why I got diabetes?
I can't help it. It's taking forever.
Okay.
Get that before the dog eats it.
Well,
Go put him in the trash.
okay.
So everyone's gonna choose. You're gonna pick it up. You're gonna say one. And then you're gonna put it in your mouth. Chubby Bunny. So remember, you gotta say Chubby Bunny. And look, so you have to put it in your mouth. Mari, you have to put it in your mouth. You can't chew it or swallow it, right? Okay. Everyone get a marshmallow?
But now I don't have everything out.
You want more?
Well, you gotta look. Some of that stuff I'm putting back.
Are you ready?
Here's your chance.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Everyone get another one? Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Everyone get another one?
I can't stop chewing.
You can't chew it.
I'm not chewing it.
Really, Mari? Go. Chubby Bunny.
All your stuff's going back in
Chubby
there.
Bunny.
Well, maybe we
I'll just
should.
get my stuff out.
Yeah, we need to they need to
Get my stuff out. I don't know what you're talking
Everyone got another one?
one.
I don't know.
No, don't be cheating. Don't be cheating. Unhook it.
I don't know what you're looking for.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
You know the name of it.
Ooh, Jackson, you're losing.
No, here. I don't think it fell.
Chubby Bunny. Oh, right at the wrong one.
Chubby Bunny.
Where she got? She looking for?
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
know. I'm coming. Okay, I got my meat.
Chubby Bunny.
Bunny. Chubby
My
Bunny.
swear.
I'm dead. I caught.
What is that?
I can't. Yeah, keep going.
Chubby
It's
Bunny.
you.
Chubby Bunny.
I used to love them. What's wrong with him? You don't like them either? I don't think you like my shoes.
Who?
Omari, you don't. He won't. You don't even eat the.
I don't hear nobody say
You
Chubby
don't like
Bunny.
the scooter
Chubby
pie.
Bunny.
You don't like.
You don't like scooter
No,
pie?
it's a Chubby Bunny.
One. You like
Say it.
you
Chubby
like
Bunny.
scooter pie.
No, I don't think you like marshmallows.
Wow.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Here, Mari.
Three Musketeers.
Chubby Bunny.
Why you look like you eating your marshmallow? You better not be eating your marshmallow.
I can't eat anyway, that's why.
Chubby Bunny.
We out.
Chubby Bunny.
And we got the biggest mouth.
Where?
Chubby Bunny.
Ugh.
Oh, nigga.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Oh.
Do it again. Come on, get some more.
Come on.
Ah.
Go, Papa.
Chubby Bunny.
Big.
Jackson, stop chewing yours.
Ah.
Go.
Chubby Bunny.
Talk about you not, but I see two pieces in there.
Ah!
Like he cut.
Maybe put them on the side.
No, you chewing them. Here.
Almost.
Come on.
You gotta put them. If you put them to the side, you can talk.
Happy buddy.
And you win.
Mari. Mari, why you look like you swallowing yours? You guys are making it nasty, bro. I just want to throw up.
Chubby bunny.
Jackson, stop.
Happy buddy.
You done, Mari?
You gotta say Chubby Bunny.
Good. Here, put that one in. Say
We gotta
Chubby
wait.
bunny.
Happy
Okay,
Come on, you gotta keep going.
Okay, give me one.
Chubby bunny.
Why I feel like y'all over here eating these marshmallows?
Right, I feel like they are too.
Y'all mouths is not that big.
Say Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny.
Don't worry.
Say.
You gotta put one in your mouth. You guys are making me want to throw up, bro.
Chubby bunny.
Chubby bunny.
One more, baby. You gonna eat it? Okay,
Well, you can't eat
not
it.
yet. Not yet, though.
Jackson, you're swallowing them. You lost. You lost. I see you going like this.
Okay,
Spit
but
'em out.
you can swallow it.
Spit 'em out.
You can chew it and swallow it. Omari what?
Okay, well, Amari won. Jackson over here cheating, even though I feel like they were both cheating. But I know I seen Jackson cheat.
What are you?
Talking about something.
You swallow it?
He swallowed
You ain't supposed to
them.
swallow it?
You ain't supposed to swallow them. All right, so Mari, you gotta choose. What do you want? Who are you gonna choose? What I gotta do? Don't be like giving no ideas. Move. What I got?
Tell her.
What do you want me to do?
Stuff your mouth on eat and stuff in the mouth.
Stuff my mouth with marshmallows? That's it? Alright, boom. I got it.
You gotta eat it.
No,
You gotta eat it.
nah.
So you gotta get one and you gotta swallow it.
No.
One of the big ones.
I don't like marshmallows, so I can't do that.
So,
Eat it.
So what you want me to do? Because your mom gave you that idea. You can't use that idea no more. So what you want me to do?
Smack yourself.
hard.
Actually, you
Smack yourself. Ah! What happened? So I'm gonna actually me
Okay,
smack you.
go ahead and smack me.
Okay, go ahead and smack me.
Don't freaking hit my sister. No, you made my sister cry. Now give her a hug and kiss her. Give her a hug and a kiss her right now.
I didn't.
Say,
You're not crying.
you better say sorry. Give her a hug and a kiss.
Mama!
That's what he got to do?
Mama!
No.
I'll be the mama.
Her fucking crying.
So what? You give my sister a hug and a kiss. Look, she crying. Look. You see the tears? You
Her fucking.
give my sister a hug and a kiss for
Her
her.
fucking.
I hate you, Jody!
Yeah.
I
Jody,
got her on the street.
You better give Yvette a hug and a kiss. Now.
Why,
You better, okay.
Why he get to do that?
Anyways, guys,
Because at first he said, slap yourself.
he said, no, I'll slap you.
And he's like, no, I'm going to slap you.
That'll be the
Is it
last
red?
time you ever slap me.
He heavy handed like you, huh?
and get away with it. I heard that.
I did too,
That-
but then
that's
you
her
did that,
hand.
then you
He get the heavy hand. He get a heavy hand from his sister.
I'ma get like-
from his auntie.
Alright, guys. Anyway, so if you liked this video with these little munchkins,
And if you want to see another video with these crazy selves.
That don't even hurt.
I didn't even touch you.
That don't even-
You want? Come here. Like he probably
No, I think you saying the slap didn't hurt.
he probably tried to get me back from when we was in the hotel. We was in the hotel. He said, "I'll fight you." I said, "You gonna fight me?" I was like,
I'm like, oh, a chance to slap. I'm going.
he probably trying to get me back.
Because he thought about that too. He was like, "No, slap yourself." And I said, "Yeah, slap it hard." And he was like, "No, I'ma slap you."
Coronavirus. Give me some hand sanitizer. Give me some hand sanitizer.
Oh. Well, hey, give me that purse.
All right, guys. So anyway, so go ahead and like,
What?
Comment and
subscribe, comment down below what y'all want to see from us. Can I have some hand sanitizer?
Mama, purse.
Hand
Purse.
tie.
You gonna tag TikTok?
Oh, we about to do TikTok. Come on, come on.
And you right there, you just have to reach over.
I'm in a video.
Renegade.
Turn that candle
They
off.
were saying renegade. Like,
Turn what off?
You know
That
what?
candle for somebody to forget his own.
Yeah, your grandson's almost dead.
Oh, turn it off.
Good night.